What's up everyone, Vanwild Day 2. We are in Ouray again, and I kind of lied in the last video. I said that I was going to be riding motorcycles today until everyone had their bikes out and they were all adventure bikes. The guys who are riding moto today are doing some gnarly long ride and I wouldn't be able to keep up with the Sur-Ron, so I'm gonna move all of my Sur-Ron plans for later this week because I think we might be going to Moab, Utah at some point. So today we're kind of doing the same thing that we did in the last video. I'm gonna be riding passenger, bouncing around between different people's vans here. We have Dave's van here and then a ton of storytellers and all sorts of other vans are coming right now to meet up with us. We're gonna be linking together two different mountain passes today, and if you guys are familiar with the mountain passes out in western Colorado, Telluride area, we're going to do some famous ones that you're probably familiar with. This is probably going to be an all-day event because we got a bunch of different groups with a ton of vans. We're kind of at the meet point right now at the end of Ouray. We're gonna head to the first trailhead and air down, and then we've got miles and miles of off-roading ahead of us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Let's go!
Alright, so you guys just saw a little bit of Yankee Girl there. We just kind of did a little detour off the highway, back to the highway, and now we're at Black Bear Pass.
This is a... Yeah, don't worry about this.
Yeah, don't worry about
this
that.
Black Bear Pass, it's open. Where we're going, we don't need no stinking roads. No, it's closed on the other side because some idiot in a 4Runner like sent it and destroyed the road, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, so this sign right here, Black Bear, technically is not open this year because some dude from Texas, I hope you're watching this video, comes up here and tries to clear snow to go on the pass that is closed.
A rather colorful warning from a Colorado Sheriff's Office to avoid one of the state's most dangerous mountain passes. The San Miguel Sheriff's Office took to social media to call out drivers who dug out snow to drive up Black Bear Pass, which is currently closed. The sheriff calling those drivers, quote, complete ass clowns.
So if you're doing destructive shit like that in Colorado,
Don't be an idiot.
don't do that. Don't do that and ruin it for everyone else. How'd that feel, Jason?
Yeah, we made it. Yeah, look at that view.
How them pants looking?
Oh, dude.
Oh, we're good, bro.
I'm good. I felt in control.
Did she fall on her face?
It's all about your co-pilot.
Yeah, man. Welcome to the end of the line. We have been making our way up Black Bear here, and the road is closed after this point, so the view's not too bad. One thing that we're finding with high elevation like this is an all-wheel drive Sprinter, the Storyteller that I'm standing on right here, does way better in high elevation. I was riding with Jason up here because Dave's van, the V6, was struggling with boost and he couldn't keep it up. Jason also has a V6, but he just kind of was on it a little bit hotter. And as long as you're kind of brake boosting and 2-foot driving, you can make it up to places like this. But when it gets steep and high elevation, the all-wheel drive vans just are better.
You know what makes them better? You know what makes them better?
What?
Come on, air locker.
Air locker. We're gonna put a locker in my van on Monday.
We're doing like 5 lockers next week.
Add that to the list.
Let's go.
All right, who's team all-wheel drive here? Tim. Now Bart. John. Team all-wheel drive.
Team all, yeah, not all-wheel drive, but locker.
Locker. Hard to understand how steep and loose that trail is. That Tim just ripped up. That was nuts. Hello again, it is now the next day, and last night we had some beverages that were consumed and very hot beef jerky that Dave ate, and I didn't film anything, but now we're headed up to some other trails. We're gonna do, what is it?
Camp Bird.
Camp Bird, and then Yankee Boy. I think today might be a little more aggressive than the previous trails. We're kind of getting harder and harder with each trail that we do. The group today is very small, so we've aired down. We can kind of blast through these trails and have a lot of fun, so here we go again.
second gear and low.
You guys don't realize how ridiculous this is. Doing this in a Sprinter van. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Well, this is it. This is why we do this right here. 360-degree views everywhere you look. Right between two old mines. What a beautiful day. All right, so that was day 2 and day 3 of Adrenaline Van's Vanwild event, and it was an absolute blast. No exhibitors, no like expo. We just hung out with the van community, drove some incredible trails. Some people went motor riding and mountain biking, fly fishing. And although I kind of wanted to do some other things, I had a blast just kind of riding around in vans all weekend. And because of this trip, I got a lot of feedback from other people who are now all-wheel drive owners. So the difference between the 4x4 Sprinter and the all-wheel drive Sprinter really became apparent this weekend. And although I made a video about my early impressions of the new all-wheel drive Storyteller in the past, I think I'm going to bring you guys another video here sometime in the near future of some updated thoughts. I also thought I was done building out the Storyteller, but checking out some of my friends' vans and riding with my friends in their own Sprinter vans, they have some parts on their vans that I have not touched because I haven't felt the need to, but I think we might have to do a little bit more of a build series on the Storyteller. So I'm not sure when that will happen. I got a lot of travel planned in the Storyteller over the next like 4 weeks, but at some point we might have to take the Psy mode to the next level. So you guys will see that soon. Now the adventure isn't stopping here. Tomorrow I'm actually going to be working on the van here in Montrose at Adrenaline, and then we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So that's 3 days of traveling, camping, wheeling, all sorts of stuff until the next expo, Rocky Mountain Adventure Rally. And that's in Grand Junction, so I'm going to be bringing you guys videos of everything that I'm doing from here until then. We might go over to Utah, I'm not sure yet, but you will find out soon. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you left a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your Sprinter Van Facebook groups. That would be much appreciated. And if you are new to this channel, consider clicking subscribe because I make new videos every single week. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.